Read it.
Al Al-Qari'ah.
Perfect.
Both be tied.
I'm happy with the tie, no problem.
I want to win. It's not 3 points. I still won.
Okay, I will end here.
Go in the hole.
Yeah.
End it quicker.
Yeah.
End the round quicker. Go in the hole. I won. I think that's me, but I won. Me, that's my name. I accept it. Amazing too.
Would you
My
like
power up.
use the power up?
Yeah.
Oh, swap points. You are 8 and I'm still 4. You will take my points.
Okay.
Oh, I need my points again. Now, okay.
Okay.
Where is the tat? Excellent. Yeah,
No.
excellent. Yes, keep the air moving out your mouth. Excellent. Aisha, it's your turn.
No, you can't trust me, you're gonna win.
I can't hear. Which one? 8. Yeah, I think Aisha won.
Okay, I know. This one.
Where is the bat? Yes, Aisha. And you know Aisha? The letter next to ba with the 2 dots above is called the ta. No, you are right. This is the ba and this is ta. This is the letter we have today, ta. But inshallah, we will have it another time. Okay, so Aisha, I think Aisha won today. Aisha wins. Aisha wins now. Excellent, Aisha. Oh, the last row. Can you find the tall letter?
Yes. Now it's the last. Oh. Yes.
Oh, he shot me.
Oh no, I just completed the mission.
He shot me. I'm a victim. I will call the police to arrest him.
No, it's just one.